Okay, now our cells have been incubating now for 5 minutes, but of course, as we did in the passaging exercise, back to the microscope to check for the level of detachment. Remember, we want to see those cells detached from the bottom of the flask and freely wafting around in that trypsin solution. So Hannum is shortly going to move out of the way, and I'll see if we can get a shot of those cells in the viewer here. Let's just see. Pretty hard to see, can't really see much, but you'll have to take our word for it that they are detached. So now Hannum is going to take that flask over to the cabinet. And now, of course, that trypsin versine, remember it's got to be now diluted with some fresh media to slow it down. And we're shortly going to put this into the centrifuge to pellet those now resuspended cells to the bottom of the tube so we can take off that trypsin solution in the next step and resuspend those cells in the pre-prepared freezing mixture. So what you're seeing again here is now the aseptic technique again. Now taking the cells from the flask using a clean, sterilised pipette and adding them to a centrifuge tube ready to be centrifuged. So you can see the addition now of those cells from the flask, and that tube of cells is now going to be diluted a little bit further with fresh medium just to dilute down that trypsin so it doesn't start attacking the cells themselves. Pulling up now the extra medium, adding that will be capped. You can mix it a little bit